Welcome to the Token Times, your best source of crypto news. In today's news, Elon Musk's Dogecoin t-shirt steals the show at Super Bowl. BUSD backing set to expire in 2024. Crypto on the rise among institutional investors in Asia. Bank of Brazil allows clients to pay taxes with cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Cardano, and Polkadot to remain unscathed by U.S. regulatory concerns. Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon attracting institutional investments. Take your wallet, it's crypto time. In previous news from the channel, we had already talked about how the BUSD issuer company is being investigated by the New York authorities. However, the situation has worsened for the stablecoin, as now the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has ordered Paxos to stop its issuance. Paxos has publicly declared on its website that as of February 21st, it will stop issuing BUSD, and that BUSD will only be backed until February 2024. Binance CEO has tried to reassure users by telling them to ignore fear, fake news, and attacks. He also said that even if they continue to support BUSD, they anticipate that users will migrate to other stablecoins, and as a result, the exchange will stop using BUSD. This news has caused users to massively switch from BUSD to other stablecoins such as USDT and USDC, and according to analytics data, although USDT has a higher market capitalization, USDC has greater user adoption. DBS Bank, a significant Asian bank based in Singapore, reported that the demand for cryptocurrencies among significant private and institutional investors is rising in Asia, despite negative macroeconomic conditions. Besides providing cryptocurrency-related services in Singapore, the bank is seeking a permit in Hong Kong to expand its cryptocurrency operations across Asia. Furthermore, the bank notes that, while Western markets are worried about regulatory constraints in the United States and Europe, the Asian market is more confident, as they predict that in the coming years, all of Asia, including China, could adopt cryptocurrencies and tokenized assets strongly. One of the most watched events in the United States featured Elon Musk wearing a Dogecoin t-shirt. He was seen sitting next to Rupert Murdoch, the owner of Fox News. When asked on Twitter what they were discussing, Elon replied that it was about Dogecoin. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to always stay up to date on the most important crypto news. And turn on notifications. In the latest report from Token Terminal, a company dedicated to fundamental analysis of crypto projects, they state that after consulting several legal experts specializing in U.S. regulations, they concluded that Bitcoin, Cardano, and Polkadot will not face significant regulatory problems. Bitcoin is expected to be classified as a commodity and subject to the same regulations as precious metals, as all regulatory agencies agree. Polkadot's founders and the U.S. Blockchain Association are pushing for legal classification as software or computer program to avoid regulation as a financial asset. Additionally, all updates are aimed at complying with regulations to prevent future problems. The report also notes that Cardano has been very careful with legal aspects to avoid regulatory issues, and as it doesn't have any centralized or business services offering staking to U.S. investors, it won't have any issues in this regard. However, Token Terminal suggests that while these three cryptocurrencies are relatively safe from regulations, their price may have been affected by market fear, but they calculate that panic in the market will be temporary, just as it has been with other regulations in the past. The Bank of Brazil announced that from now on its clients will be able to pay their taxes using cryptocurrencies. Using cryptocurrencies as a payment method is advantageous because the user can choose from a large number of crypto assets, and the conversion to the national currency occurs instantaneously. Currently, Brazil is among the countries with the highest adoption of crypto assets worldwide, in addition to offering a high regulatory clarity. CoinShares, the company specialized in institutional investments, reported that in the last 7 days institutional capital only bought Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. CoinShares specialists highlighted that although Bitcoin had no institutional capital inflows in the last 7 days, institutional investors stopped betting against Bitcoin's decline as they did in previous weeks. According to CoinShares, institutional capital has been increasingly interested in Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon, as they believe these blockchains will offer excellent returns by the end of this year. Additionally, they expect the NFT market to experience significant growth in the coming months, as well as the tokenized financial assets market, which is already using these 3 blockchains. That was all for today. Thanks, and see you in the next video.